Whether the magic sponge is really good or not, this person has the same doubt. Let's take a look at his evaluation results. Okay, now he wrote a word on the table with a marker pen, looking forward to the result of wiping it. It seems that the magic sponge can't wipe this marker mark clean. Wait a moment. It turns out it was because it wasn't used when wet. Now let's take a look at the cleaning effect again. Wow, it was so easy to erase this mark. Sure enough, the magic sponge must be moistened with water before use. Now, let's follow him and take a look at the cleaning effect of the magic sponge on other items. We can see that this sneaker can also be wiped clean. No wonder the sneaker's magic eraser is so popular. Let's take a look at the cleaning effect on the plastic surface. Here is a suitcase and a rice cooker. Let's see how well they clean. Not surprisingly, they can all be wiped clean. Finally, let's take a look at how the magic sponge can clean the surfaces of different items simultaneously. That's it. The magic sponge can clean many stains without being used in combination with detergent. If you want to wholesale and customize this useful magic sponge, welcome to contact Enda Factory. The price is low and the quality is reliable.